Hello everyone. So I am living here in Cebu, the city of Cebu, but I am from the province of Cebu. For now, we are building our house in our province, and the province is very far, like 3 hours on the bus, or 3 to 4 hours on the bus, and 1 hour on the motorcycle, and you still need to walk to go to the province or to our house at the mountain top. That's why we call it mountain top. And we are now building our house there. The size of our house is 12/16. That is the dining room, the kitchen, and the fireplace. The porch is not included and the CR is included. And the labor is 50K or 50,000 pesos. And the 50K is just the dining room, the kitchen, and the fireplace, the porch, and the what do you call that? The porch and the CR is not included. So, if you want to know more about cost in building houses here in the Philippines, subscribe to my channel.